In this video we are going to give you perfect review of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Despite what some people believe, there is in fact an effective way to reverse type 2 diabetes for good. If you want to turn your condition around for the better, you will need to get the right information. The Halki Diabetes Remedy offers an effective way to cure this condition without taking any drastic measures. It is definitely an option worth looking into for anyone who no longer wants to have these health issues. How it works: the Halki Diabetes Remedy features an effective protocol for reversing type 2 diabetes with the right combinations of 8 vitamins and nutrients. This in turn removes harmful toxins from the body. The recipes included in this product are derived from the diet of a small Greek island called Halki. This diet prevented the native people from developing insulin resistance, which is essentially what diabetes is. What's included in Halki Diabetes Remedy? There are 4 individual resources included with the Halki Diabetes Remedy that you should know about. The first is the main guide, which provides you with a number of recipes for meals that can help reverse your type 2 diabetes. The 4 bonus materials that you will get include with Halki Diabetes Remedy: Achieve Your Goals video series. The Achieve Your Goals guide is a 10-part digital video series that will explain how to achieve your health and fitness goals in great detail. Each of these videos will walk you through the process step by step, so there is no confusion whatsoever. Mind-Body Video Series. You will receive another 10-part video series that will explain the mind-body connection in relation to diabetes. This will help you to overcome your condition in a big way. It explains how your mind and thinking can have a very real physical impact on your overall body. Energy Multiplier Video Series. The Energy Multiplier Video Series teaches you how to start increasing your energy levels on a regular basis. Following the steps that are laid out in these videos will allow you to become more productive on a daily basis. Benefits of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. There are numerous benefits to following the Halki Diabetes Remedy, including: it's based on facts. Unlike so many other guide products that claim to help people reverse their type 2 diabetes, this one is based on scientific fact. Lose weight. Following the recipes that are laid out in this guide can help you lose a significant amount of weight. Easy to understand. All of the steps and information in these resources are laid out in a very easy to understand way. Bonus materials. You will get a number of bonus materials with this product that will help you increase your chances of reversing type 2 diabetes. The Halki Diabetes Remedy costs a total of $37, which is pretty incredible when you consider all of the bonus resources you get. When you visit the official product website, you will be able to get a $20 voucher to save money. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to get a full refund if you are not completely satisfied with your results. You can pay for this product with any major credit card or PayPal. Who should buy the Halki Diabetes Remedy? Anyone who has type 2 diabetes and wants to reverse it for good should look into purchasing this product. It is also a great choice for those who want to be healthier and more energized. Those who are tired of feeling unhealthy and sluggish should consider buying it right away. Conclusion: there are a number of products available that claim to help reverse type 2 diabetes, but not all of them actually work. The Halki Diabetes Remedy is based on scientific fact, and it can help you become healthier and feel better on a daily basis. It has changed the lives of many people already, and it is one of the most popular anti-diabetes resources. If you want to start taking charge of your own health, this product is a great start.